Lots of fog out this morning. Carol can tell us what's going on. Morning.
Good morning. There certainly is a lot of fog around this morning, Lou. The Met Office actually has a yellow warning out for this. It's especially across southwest Scotland, also Northern Ireland and much of England and Wales. So if you are travelling, there's already some disruption around, and you can find out what it's like where you are by tuning into your BBC local radio station or, of course, the travel pages on the BBC website. High pressure is firmly in charge of our weather. Hardly an isobar to blow this fog away, and you can see too a weather front coming south across Scotland is introducing some rain. At the moment it's not particularly heavy, but it will pep up through the day. Through the day too, you'll notice that the fog will start to lift. Some of it's already doing that, and then for many there will be some pleasant spells of sunshine. So some sunshine this afternoon across East Anglia, Essex, Kent, London, heading along southern counties. Parts of the south coast and around the London area could hit 16 or 17 degrees today. In a gentle breeze, that will feel very pleasant. Across Wales, a lot of sunshine. Close to the coast at times, there'll be a bit more cloud. And then through Cheshire, the northwest of England, there will be more cloud for you today, as indeed there will be across Northern Ireland after a murky start. The weather front draped across Northern Ireland. It's also draped across Scotland, producing some rain in Scotland. Behind it will brighten up quite nicely in the north. But in the east, after a bright start, the cloud will encroach and you could see some spots of rain. Whereas across the Pennines and Yorkshire into Lincolnshire, the Wash area, we're back into the sunshine. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, for a time it will be dry, it will also be clear. Then we start to see the fog reform. Some of this, rather like last night, will be widespread and dense as well. We've also got another front coming in across the north and the northwest of Scotland, introducing further spells of rain, and the wind will strengthen. In fact, tomorrow the wind will be a feature of the weather across the far north of Scotland. We're even looking at gusts touching severe gales across Shetland. Meanwhile, the fog across England and Wales in particular will slowly lift and we'll see some sunshine develop, but there'll always be a bit more cloud across northern England, particularly northwest England and also Northern Ireland, and that cloud here and there will be thick enough to produce the odd spot of rain. As we head on into Saturday, more rain across the north and the west of Scotland. For the rest of the UK, we're looking at cloudy skies at times, some sunshine, and it will be that bit breezy. But I just want to draw your attention once again to the fog we have this morning and the fog we're expecting tonight. If you are travelling, do bear that in mind. Lou and Charlie, back to you.
Yes, Carol, thank you very much. Everybody must take care out there. Lots of thick fog. I think we can look at the camera outside our studio as well. It's got worse, in fact, over the last half an hour.
It does give you a sense of Carol saying it's going to be sitting in a lot of areas probably until lunchtime today. So really dangerous fog conditions. You've been sending us some images as well from around the country. This one from Benny, emailed this morning. This is an image of Coalport Bridge in Shropshire this morning.
This has also been tweeted in by a viewer looking down on Woodland